Installing multiple cable runs along the same route is time-consuming, expensive, and makes altering them in the future difficult. But what if you could run 6 or even 9 circuits from one simple conduit? The Powerconnect MDB uses a home run to bring multiple circuits from the distribution board out across the workplace. One run, one fix. From the MDB, up to 9 circuits can run to where power is required. Using extenders, you can hook up T-connectors to regular wall sockets, floor boxes, or even power workstations from a PDU. Rather than plugging into a bus bar with multiple tap-offs through floor grommets, the circuit is brought through a single grommet into an RCBO box, which replaces the track and all the associated tap-offs. In fact, one PDU can power several workstations, all from a single reconfigurable extender cable. This reduces labour, materials and floor penetrations for a simpler, cleaner and more efficient workspace.